RL circuit from series combination. From series combination, I'm taking RL series circuit. Series circuit. This is the first classification in our series combination. Sir, how to write the diagram for RL combination? Simply I have to take one resistance, one inductor in series connection with one voltage source. With one voltage source. This is the first point. This is R, this is L, and across the resistance we have some voltage is there. That voltage is called VR, and this is a VL. Okay. In this circuit, some current is flowing. That current is called as I current. Across this voltage, we have some we have some instantaneous voltage is there, that is equal to Vm sine omega t. Voltage and current. Voltage equal, already you know very well. Voltage equal to Vm sine omega t, and I equal to Im sine omega t minus pi. Sir, why you are writing minus pi? In inductor, the current is lagging. From the previous class, we discussed already. The current is lagging in our inductor. Inductor లో కరెంట్ అనేది నెగిటివ్ లో ఉంటుంది. ఓకేనే, ఎందుకు ఉన్నది మీకు ఒకసారి నెక్స్ట్ లాస్ట్ క్లాస్ లో చూడండి. నేను చెప్పాను ఆల్రెడీ ఎందుకు నెగిటివ్ ఉంటుంది అని చెప్పేసి. Now, the power equation equal to Vi sin omega t into sin omega t minus pi. Okay, just multiple చేయండి. Vm into Im. V into I is nothing but Vm sin omega t, Im sin omega t minus pi. In the multiple is we get power equation. Okay. Now coming to third one. That is impedance. Impedance equal to it is represented with Z. It is a combination of a resistor as well as inductance. In our previous class, we take only pure resistor, pure inductor. Simply out write Z equal to R, Z equal to X, Z equal to Xc. But in our given combination, total we have two resistors, one resistor, one inductor is there. That's why you have to take Z equal to R plus JXL. And the real part is the imaginary part. Okay. Simply I have to take it is a vector. Now coming to combination, mod combination. Simply I have to take R square plus XL square. This is a very, very, very important formula to find the impedance. Okay. Mod Z equal to under root of R square plus XL square. Okay. Now, from this, I am drawing one simple current formula. Current equal to V by Z. Already you know from the form from the Ohm's law. Now you have to write V by Z equal to Z is nothing but what? Z square plus XL square. Z square plus XL square. Now you have to take some impedance diagram from this impedance diagram. What is the impedance diagram of RL? Okay, you take reference first. You take the reference. This is the reference from this impedance diagram. Which is the real part? R is the real part. Imaginary part is XL. R is the real part. Real part is nothing but is in phase with the reference line. In phase with the reference line. This is the real part. In phase with the reference part is called x-axis. You take x-axis. Any imaginary part is there, that is called y-axis. Now it is a plus imaginary axis or minus imaginary axis. Simply these are plus imaginary axis. Plus ante manaki em cheppanu, leading position. That is this one. అంటే దీని ఏమనొచ్చు సింపుల్ గా XL అనొచ్చు. This is a plus XL. For example, ఇక్కడ మైనస్ ఉందనుకోండి, you take the negative one. Okay. Combination of real part as well as imaginary part is called as impedance. Okay. Simply you have to take some diagram of this one. This is called impedance. That is equal to R under root of R square plus XL square. That is your total impedance diagram of your RL circuit. Okay. Now coming to the fourth point, power factor. Power factor. These points are very important. Power factor equal to simply that is represented with cos phi. It is represented with cos phi. Sir, what is power factor first? Simply I have to take the angle between voltage and current. The angle between voltage and current is called as power factor. Sir, simply you have to take this is called voltage magnitude, voltage angle is 0. Current magnitude, current angle is minus pi. Now tell me, what is the main difference between voltage angle as well as current angle అంటే ఏం చెప్తారు? మైనస్ pi అనేది అవర్ డిస్టెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ వోల్టేజ్ అండ్ కరెంట్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చూడండి, వోల్టేజ్ అంటే నేను యాంగిల్ మ్యాగ్నిట్యూడ్ 1 తీసుకుంటాను, యాంగిల్ 0 తీసుకుంటున్నాను. ఓకే, current magnitude is nothing but, for example, I'm taking 1 again, but angle is minus pi. Angle is minus pi. Now, what is the difference between voltage and current? What is the voltage difference between voltage and current? Minus
Angle.
pi. That is pi. Pi is nothing but the difference between voltage and current. Simply you have to take the power factor is called. Power factor is called. It is the angle of. It is the angle of voltage as well as current. Voltage as well as current. We have some formula that is equal to R by Z. R by Z is a formula of power factor. Now, what is Z? Z is called under root of R square plus XL square. R square plus XL square. Simply have to take cos pi equal to R by Z is a one formula, and we have another formula R by under root of R square plus XL square. R square plus XL square. Okay, so this is a power factor. And coming to the next one, phase angle, phasor angle, and phasor diagram. Phasor diagram of RL series circuit. Sir, what is phasor angle formula? Phasor angle is nothing but pi. The pi equal to tan inverse of imaginary part by real part is the formula to find the phasor angle. Okay. Now simply I am taking pi equal to tan inverse of, what is the imaginary part? XL by R. XL by R is the formula for phasor angle. Now coming to phasor diagram. So how to draw the phasor diagram? Same, you take some reference line. Now, what is the voltage phasor diagram from voltage and current angle? What is the voltage angle? Simply that is 0. The voltage angle is 0. This will be 0. But current angle is minus pi. Minus pi is nothing but lagging position. That is minus pi. This is minus pi is nothing but pi. This is a current angle. This is a voltage. Now, difference between some voltage and current is called as power factor. Okay, the difference between voltage and current is nothing but power factor. This is the form. This is a phasor diagram of which one? RL series circuits. RL series circuit. The voltage is a current. Sir, which is leading, which is lagging? In our phasor diagram, by using some phasor diagram, the voltage leads current by the angle of pi. Sir, this is correct. But you take another one, that is current is lags V by the angle of pi. Both are same. Okay, ఇలా అన్నా ఒకటే, ఇలా అయినా ఒకటే. వి అనేవాడు ముందున్నాడు ఎవరి కంటే? కరెంట్ కంటే. ఎంత యాంగిల్తో? 90 యాంగిల్. 90 కానీ పై యాంగిల్ లేదు. ఐ అనేవాడు వెనుకున్నాడు ఎవరికంటే? వోల్టేజ్ కంటే. ఎంత యాంగిల్? పై యాంగిల్. బోత్ ఆర్ సేమ్. Okay, this is our fifth point. Now is our instantaneous power of RL series RL circuit. Sir, what is P? P equal to V into I kada. V into I is nothing but what? Vm into Im sin omega t into sin omega t minus pi. Just in terms of t lo రాయండి. P of t equal to Vm of t into Im of t into sin omega t into sin omega t minus pi. So this is our instantaneous power. Just to take this one and come into seventh one, power curve diagram. power curve diagram of RL circuit. Now, what is the power curve diagram of RL circuit? Simply, you have to take some voltage and current equation, power equation, similar with the previous class. This is omega t, and in y-axis I am taking V into I. And this is a power equation, power curve equation. This is omega t. This is omega t. Okay. See, the voltage starts from zero. Already you know very well from the first step. The voltage starts from zero. The voltage starts from zero, and current starts from minus pi. This is called minus pi. So this is called minus pi. This is a plus pi. The current is starts from plus pi. Sorry, minus pi. The current is start from minus pi, and voltage is start from zero from the first equation. Now see, after completion of this combination, we get some power. We get some power. That is this one. See, this is the first point. This is our second point. Third point. Fourth point. Fifth point. And sixth point. Okay. Sir, see, this is a simple negative value. These are one of the positive value. Negative into positive. Negative into positive. That is negative. Simply I have to take this one. The one negative value. Okay. Now coming to positive into positive. In between these 2 points, this total voltage and current both are in positive. Simply I have to take some positive value. Simply I have to take some positive value. Now coming to these, in between these two, we have some positive value as well as negative value. Simply I have to take this one. Okay. Negative value voltage and current value is positive. Positive into negative, that is negative. Next, coming to this, in between these two lines, we have some current and voltage waveform is that is negative. Both are in negative. Negative into negative, that is called positive. That is called positive. Next, negative into positive, negative. Negative into positive, negative. Positive into positive, that is negative. Positive. This is a power equation of power curve equation of RL circuit. Power curve equation of RL circuit.